Hey, it's Heidi from A Lively Hope, and today I'm going to show you my new Focal Points watercolor printable kit. Here's a up-close look at some of the focal points that are included, and I'll show you a bit more in a second. There are 9 full pages of beautiful watercolor illustrations for you to use in journals and just as ephemera or collage or art journals, wherever you like to use them. So here's all the ones I've fussy cut, and I'm gonna just make a page here. This is in my handmade art journal, and I just really loved this bird, so I'm going to use it on a page and just let you watch and see how this goes. You'll see me just kind of playing and seeing what I like as I set things up, and that's really just how my process goes. A lot of kind of moving things around and figuring out how I want it to look before I glue everything down. So here I'm cutting out some words from some hand-painted paper. It's text paper and then painted over the top. Cutting out the letter H there. So I will just let you watch. You can find this printable kit in my shop, and I will include the link down below.